for fun. I feel weak. It's not normal for me. A long time, dude. It's all about that fucking nature. You leave these out there. Hey, let's go. They're talking about how handsome I am. And Sal is saying, oh, he's like a 10. And then Jessica's saying I'm like an 11. Direct translation. Guys, as you know, I was a professional fighter. I fought all over the world. I fought Daijiro Takase, the guy who beat Anderson Silva. I've done many things in my life, and there's nothing that's been more difficult than getting the keys to this office. This has been 10 times more difficult than that. I used to walk out in my underwear and fight people in China. This is more difficult. Getting these keys means more to me than anything. 5 years ago, when I was considering real estate, I thought, where would I want the office? And I thought, directly as you leave Walmart. There's not a better location than that. It took a long time to get it. And now I'm so excited. Now I have it. No. I'm just kidding. Hey, let's go. Eso, papi. Look what we got, boy. Look what we got. Which way's the office, boy? You mean it's right there? Like Yahweh. There. It's there. I think it's there. Almost. Está allá.
Yeah, man. No manches, You gonna say something?
So this is all coming out. All this stuff is gonna be ripped out of here. That's gonna be ripped out of here. This is gonna be a bar. This is gone. Behind here is alcohol. And then above this is gonna be like two probably 55-inch TVs. Probably uno, dos here. And on the back we'll have a big TV there. And right here, we'll just be like a nice couch. Up above, we've got all the indirect lighting that we're gonna sell with Lucon. This is gonna stay the same. The only thing that we're gonna keep is the mirrors because those are cool. Then I have the pool table that goes here. Obviously we'll break to this side, so that way we don't get messed up or your board will be fucking. Once these are gone, we'll be good. We got an office, and we're gonna have a receptionist, but not only a receptionist, we're gonna have a bartender here. And this is gonna be just for our clients. There's not gonna be any cost for this. So let's say, for example, the wife goes shopping, husband chills in here, shoots some pool, has a drink if you want to talk real estate, cool. If you don't want it, just chill, no pressure. This is where you're gonna work. This is where you're gonna be working. Just dancing, doing your thing. Wanna buy a house, wanna buy a house, wanna buy a house. It's like 45 minutes on, 5 minutes off, 45 minutes on. But I really like those lights he has up top. Those are fucking sweet. And that will help to bring attention to us too, actually. But this one is like the style. You see how clean this is here? This is very clean. You see how it has like the couches? Like, this is what I want. They're like classy, elegant house. That looks great. Llaves de coche, llaves de casa, llaves de cuenta. No, wait, llaves de oficina. Arre pues.
Tequila, wheel out, tequila, bass knocking, shorty like that crazy, shorty like the real one, shorty whole squad. Shorty wanna put me, shorty grab that bottle, go home, shorty move slow when she dance slow, body got rhythm.
Así color.
What the fuck you mean? Why you off the lane? Iceland in my dream. Iceland in my dream. What the fuck you mean? Why you off the lane?
And look at her. She can clean too. They can both clean. Only they can't play the violin yet. That's the only thing I'm disappointed about. Because at Alvar, I want you guys to play the violin. You gotta get into it. It's all about that fucking head shit. No, I could do the little one too.
That's your question.
That's not fun. Question for you guys. We have to move these in every single time. Is it more damaging to move these in or to leave them in the sun where they're made? I think, and this is my professional opinion, being the #1 real estate agent in the world, you leave these out there. That's what they're made for. And not only is it messing up these, it's messing up the wall. And he's kicking it. He's literally kicking it. Please let me know in the comments. Am I right or am I right? What's up, guys? I'm feeling a little bit down today. I was trying here at Forever Young Stem Cell Clinic. My stomach is hurting. I feel weak. It's not normal for me to drink from a hose, and I never wear condoms. So typically I never get sick. Super rare. Okay, guys, so you can see I've been wearing my hat, but when I'm sick, those wrinkles are basically all gone. Here, on my forehead, my eyes, everything looks good. A little tiny bit here. Call that my dad line. Really, I'm extremely handsome. So this reminds me of when I would have fights in China and I would have to cut a lot of weight. In general, about 22 pounds. The most I cut was 14, 15 pounds, which was like 3 hours. It was probably the least fun. It was much harder than the fight, actually. And if you look at like guys like Conor McGregor, he only was good at 145 pounds. When he went to 155, he sucked. So cutting weight is huge. If you don't know how to cut weight correctly, you're gonna fight huge guys. Little tip for you. Now we're getting a bunch of anabolics. Bro, vitamins. Muchas vistas, no te preocupes. No. Buena para ti. ¿Cómo Guys, I feel better. Like, honestly, my stomach feels good now already. Like a little nap, which helped too, but obviously it's the medication. I never feel bad. Very rarely. I work on average 16 hours a day to 18 hours a day, 7 days a week. I haven't taken a day off in almost 4 years. And sometimes I overwork. If I can only get 3 hours of sleep every day, then that's when my body starts to get messed up. As long as I can get about 4 hours and 40 minutes, I'm good. 5 hours is perfect. When I start getting down to 3 hours or 2 hours, it's bad. But in real estate, sometimes when you're making big deals, and you've got some giant commissions on the line, you gotta do what you gotta do. In this game, if you're not quick, people can change their mind. You gotta be quick. ¿Cuál es tu nombre otra vez?
Benjamín Esteban.
Doctor?
Sí, es medicina general y cirugía.
I try.